Here's the vacuum bags for the Shop-Vac 5 to 8 gallon. They come packed 6. I'll take this out. This is the deflector used when you want to use it as a wet vac. It'll keep from hitting the filter inside. Prevent the water from going out through the vacuum itself. So we use it as a dry vacuum. So this comes out, and this is important because you can't lose this piece, and this goes in here. Once it's pushed through, it'll give the cardboard piece a little strength so that it can be slid back in. And that's it. It's installed.